Good morning everyone, I'm just getting ready for the day, the kettle's on, I'm getting ready to make me coffee, I'm reading me comments on my YouTube channel, and this is what I love about this community. Comments like this really do help me out, and I have a quote, and this comes from Mr. MZ. Mel, get the plastic off the windows. If it bakes on with any light or heat, temperature change, it fogs the windows, so they'll need to be replaced. Have a look, bud. Thank you so much. The kettle's boiled. Let's go outside, have a look at the Mercedes Vario, check my windows, make sure the plastic hasn't baked onto them. After all, I've spent a lot of money on them windows, and I'm a little bit concerned now. So concerned that I've got my camera out just to see. Now my Vario has been outside for the last couple of days. It has been hot and sunny, and after reading that comment, I'm a little bit frogged up. I've got a bit of a frog in my throat because I've literally just got out of bed. And if I can get to me Vario, that is, it's a bit tight in here. Let's just check. So I've got these plastic windows in my van. As you can see, they do look a little bit foggy because they've got this plastic coating on, and I left the plastic coating on because in my mind I'm thinking it protects the windows, but that comment makes perfect sense because this plastic could stick. So let's put this down somewhere and we'll have a look. Do hope this is all right. Can I get it off? A little bit now. Yeah, it's stuck on. Sorry about the bad light. Oh, bugger. Look at this. So, I'm making this video for all you people out there that have got these plastic windows. Don't leave the plastic film on. It looks like Mr. Armsby is absolutely spot on. Look at this. Oh, got it. I got it. Oh, is it going to come off? It has been sunny. Yeah, look at that. When I did the other one, it came off really easy. Okay. It looks like it's all right underneath. I think we're going to be okay. What a relief. It shouldn't come off like this, it should come off in one piece. So I think I might have caught it just in time. Oh, so glad I read my comments this morning. See, I learn just as much from you guys as you guys learn from me. It's a two-way door. I've got it off. Right, let's do the rest. Well, I'm really pleased to say the plastic has come off of the windows. As you can see, they're nice and clear. I've got a lovely view of the countryside. Thank goodness. Oh God, what a close call that was. Again, thank you, Mr. Malmsby. Right, now I'm going to do a little experiment today. We had some visitors last night. The Non-Lost Souls, they've got a YouTube channel. Go check them out. I'll put a link up here to their YouTube channel. But when they came here to the barn, I realised for the first time we've actually got a mixing bowl. It's a huge bread mixing bowl, and straight away a little light bulb went off in my head, and I thought to myself, I didn't know we had a mixing bowl. I could make some bread. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to make some bread, but not any bread, not any old bread. We're going to use only, I think, 3 ingredients: powdered milk, maybe I should have started with the self-raising flour, and some salt and a bit of water. So 4 ingredients. Out in Australia it's called damper bread, but we're going to call it camper bread. Let's get back in the kitchen and I'll show you what I mean. So I've settled down, I'm having my cup of coffee, I'm looking at Mr. Armsby. Thank you very much, mate, for leaving that comment, by the way. But it turns out Mr. Armsby has actually got his own YouTube channel. So let's have a quick look at one of his videos. Do go check him out. What's this video about? Let's have a quick look. Let's see what sort of stuff he does. I've no idea what that is. It's a tree. Nest. Doorbell catches something unknown. Ooh. Spooky. Okay, I missed that. Something just shot across the sky. Look at this. It looks like he's caught an alien on his Ring doorbell camera. Yep, something just flew. Go check out his channel. Interesting. Once again, thank you, Mr. Armsby, for leaving me that tip. And like I said earlier, it is a two-way door, this. I mean, you learn stuff from me, but I can tell you, I learn a lot more from you than you do me. So thank you. Good morning, Mel. I have a quick question for you. We love a quick question. When will you be doing 150 quid fridge conversion to 12 volt? I'm so eager to see how it's done. Many thanks. There you go. That's from Craig Rain. And a lot of people have been asking me this. When will I be converting my 240 volt fridge into 12 volts? Well, at the moment, I'm still testing my 150 quid fridge. I didn't want to go to all the hassle of converting it to 12 volts if the fridge was crap. So as you can see, it is actually ram-packed full of food. And I'm actually testing it just to make sure it's a good fridge before I go to all that hassle of converting it into a 12 volt fridge. That's why I haven't made that video just yet, but I will be making that video very soon. But give me another couple of weeks, because I'm not so sure if this fridge is any good. Every now and again it does make some rather funky noises, so I want to try and investigate why it's making those noises, like I say, before going through all the hassle of converting it to 12 volt. So if you're one of those people that are waiting for me to convert that fridge into a 12 volt fridge, just hang in there. I will do that very soon. Right, I'm going to finish my coffee and then we're going to make some camper bread. Today I'm going to show Becky how to cook some bush tucker.
Van life style.
Mixing bowl, some self-raising flour, skimmed milk and some salt. Oh, and a little bit of water. And we need a bush fire, but we don't have one of those because we live in a camper van. So we're going to use an air fryer. Could you warm up the air fryer for me?
Okay.
So we get our self-raising flour. We want 2 of these. You don't have to be too fussy, really. 2 of those. Half a pound of milk. It just adds a little bit of extra flavour. We need some salt, lots of salt, a couple of pinches worth, that'll do. Now we need to add some water. What we do, we make a little volcano, put some water in the middle and mix it up. Just get a nice dough going. There is no exact ingredient amount, you just want it a nice doughy consistency. So that's why we add a little bit of water at a time. And if you add too much water, you just add a little bit more flour. Really is as simple as that. There we go, I think I got that about right. How's that? Grandma would be happy. Now traditionally this would be cooked over hot coals in a billy oven. But we don't have one of those because we live in a van. It's a bit sticky. Where's our flour? We get our flour, we sprinkle it over there like that. Then we can pick it up without it sticking to our hands. That's always a good idea to wash your hands as well. No need to knead it. That's all we need. Like that. Now we put that in our air fryer And by the way, this is completely experimental. I've never done this before, although I have done it out of bush. Shepherd's bush. Now we set our air fryer to around about 180, I reckon. And we put that on for about 30 minutes. Let's try 25. We'll start off at 25 at 180 just to see how we go. Be right back. Hey, there we go. Let's take a look at our bush tucker camper bread. Let's take a look. So to make sure it's cooked all the way through, what we have to do is flip it over and give it a tap on its bum. So let's do that now. Oh, look at that. Let's give it a little tap. It's not quite done. It should sound kind of hollow. Maybe the tin foil. Yeah, I can tell that's not done. Or we can stick something in it. Yeah, it's not quite cooked. So 25 minutes wasn't quite long enough. So let's put it back in the air fryer, this time without the tin foil. Give it another 10 minutes, I reckon. At 180. I'm still sticking it on 180. We don't want to burn our bread. But then if we do burn it, it doesn't matter because the ingredients cost pence. So if it all goes wrong, just make another one. Brilliant.
And if it really, really, really goes wrong, do you know what we can do with them?
No, go on.
We can use them to jack up the van when we're parked on a hill.
Wheel chocks, yeah. Okay, I'll take that. Right, well, it's had 10 minutes more. Let's turn it upside down again. That's better. Now we're going to let that rest for a little bit. Let it cool down. Nice and brown on top. Oh, it smells good. Right stuff. It's got a nice crust. That's a good sign. Look at that. What a beauty. Have a look at this, babe. Beautiful bread. Nice and piping hot. So what we do now, get a nice bit of butter. Put it on there whilst it's hot. Let that butter soak into our bread. Oh, I can't wait to look at this. Look at that. Oh, perfect.
How's your bread turn out?
Freaking lovely, mate.
Is it actually done now?
Yeah.
Why is it wherever I go, an animal pisses up my wheel?
Oh, I know, mate. Because your animal magnetism, I suppose.
Was it this animal?
Would you like to try some?
Yeah, why not? Go on then. Not loads, because I don't want to nick your dinner. Just
It's not my dinner, it's just an experiment. I sort of cut them off. It is a bit.
It does look like a proper bit of bread, and it smelt nice as well when I smelt it over there.
Yeah, there you go. So Ads is now going to try a piece of my bush
I
tucker.
feel like I'm on Gordon Ramsay.
It's usually called damper bread, but we're going to call it camper bread. Have a go.
Alright, let's go. That's a good little name you got going on. God, it's hot.
Yeah.
I thought it'd been done for ages. Right.
No, that is hot, mate.
It smells like,
Bread.
no, like a cake almost.
It's basically flour, milk powder, and water. That is it.
You know what it tastes like?
Scone.
That's what I was going to say, but I was going to say, don't mock me for the way I say it. Scone. I don't like it. Scone. It's a scone. Because we're posh.
You say posh. Scone.
There we go.
What does it look like? Oh, okay. Not what I was expecting at all. Again.
It's nice and thick. I like that.
Yeah.
Did you put butter on it then?
Yeah, I did put butter on it.
One of the dogs has used my wheel as a toilet.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
wondering who to blame. I'm not
They're
sure
both
which
of
the
them.
culprit is.
They both do it.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
That's all right. It happened to me at the event the other day as well. It's
Now,
not
what
bad.
would you pay for that in the supermarket, do you reckon? A nice big loaf of bread like that.
Maybe thinner.
What would that cost you in the supermarket?
I
About
like
£3
it being
quid.
doughy though.
How much?
£3.
£3, would you reckon?
Yeah, about that.
About
In the
£3.
bakery section.
Yeah. That cost me about, well, I reckon,
£3.
that loaf of bread probably cost about 30p.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Can you make some more?
Sure. So this is my second attempt at making damper bread, or what I like to call camper bread. So let's take it out to the guinea pigs and see what they think.
Is that what you call it?
Jez is the hungriest, so he's going first. Take a bit.
Oh, thank you very much.
Smell scones already.
Oh, excellent. Got proper butter.
Yeah.
Got any jam and cream, mate?
We haven't, but we can always do another.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joe,
Go on then. Let's have a try.
I'll go.
you've got the crusty bit.
That's alright.
Monster, look, Joe's dropped a bit. Go get it.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
I do see the stove.
Here a week.
Yeah, it does taste good. Oh, you've even cut it. Wow. Well
To the extra
done.
lengths this time.
Nice.
I need to order.
That was close.
I don't
Very
really know.
crumbly.
I don't want like.
Big man himself.
I don't want nice.
Thank you. Yeah, too right. I don't need to add, do I? Oh, that's...
This is the proper one. This is made with butter.
Oh right, yeah, go on then. This is a different one, is it?
Different,
This is Mark 2. Damper
It's
or camper
definitely
bread
stone.
Mark 2.
All right.
Actually, that's all right, isn't it?
That's a scone. Come on, tell me that's not a scone.
Yes. Got some damper bread?
Let's have a go, mate.
Traditional Australian outback bread.
He said he'll send me some.
That's made with 3 ingredients.
That's nice, that.
Yeah, 3 ingredients.
That's successful, that is.
Yeah, I think I'll try some now. That's made with self-raising flour, powdered milk and a bit of salt. Oh, and butter, so that's 4, isn't it? Butter, yeah.
Not water.
Oh, and water.
Where does the dedication...
Tastes like shit, you lot are really good liars.
To be honest with you, I'm happy with just one slice.
Yeah, I think I need to work on that.